Hey guys, this is the UHC Tactical 9 Sniper Rifle review. This is the firing test, and I have the target set all the way at the end of the driveway. This is about 175 feet, so let's see what we can do here. I'm going to zoom in the camera a little bit and put the camera over by the mailbox so you guys can see if it hit or not. So here's the gun, if you don't know. It's the sniper rifle. I'm going to put the scope on and you guys will be able to see. So I'm going to adjust the camera a little bit. Alright guys, here's the camera adjusted at 175 feet. And here you can see clearly if the BB hit or not. So I'm just going to walk over and you'll hear the shots in about 30 seconds. Alright guys, so clearly you can see it hit every single time. 5 out of 5 shots.
Alright guys, so right now we're going to go over how to load the rotary mag. Right here. It takes 5 shells. You put 1 BB in each. Basically all you do, I have the scope removed for this just so it'll make it a little more clear. Basically, pull back the bolt. You're going to need an Allen wrench, any size will work, just not too big. And the pellet adapter in there that comes with a gun so you can fire the stick mag. That's going to need to come out. So you just go in there, get it out. That's all you're going to need for this. Now, the way the BB's facing, that's going to the way the barrel is going to go. So you're going to just pop it right in underneath and close the bolt, and you might be able to see it'll go in, and these shoot just fine. Just as good as before. And the shells will eject. I'm going to move the camera here. The shells will eject. You can see right here, if I pull back the bolt, whoops, I don't think you saw that one. Let me try this one more time, sorry about that. If you pull the bolt back, the shell ejects, and that'll do that every single time. See? The only thing I think you need to do for this gun is lube the bolt, maybe just a little bit. Maybe not, but it's pretty good right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been Urban Legends Airsoft production. And reminder, this gun, if you do want to buy it, it is in good quality. I want at least $100 for it. Just leave me a comment or PM me and I'll get back to you. Thanks guys. See ya.